Hello friends, in this video we are going to be looking into how to create team and accessing team API network in POSTMAN. This is the home page of the POSTMAN. Click on this workspace. Here you can find create workspace. Click on this button. This is the page you will be get. Here you can find 4 different types of visibility, which is personal, private, team, public. Defaultly the team visibility has been selected, but except private you can able to access remaining 3 visibility because the paid membership only can able to access the private mode. Okay, now I'm going to be selected as a team visibility. I'm going to be give the team workspace, which is NATASA hyphen team. Click on this create workspace. Now you can find this NATASA team workspace has been created successfully. You can find the list after clicking on this workspace. You can find which workspace have you created on before. Now I'm going to be add the team API network inside NATASA team. Anyhow, inside NATASA team you can find empty bucket of collections and API. Does not add anything. So now I'm going to be add any other API network. Click on this explore for exploring different API network. Little bit scroll down here. Under browse section you can find different categories, which is teams, workspace, APIs and collections. Anyhow, now I'm going to be add team API network. Right, click on this team. Here you can find different teams is available, and also you can able to watch it how many members has visit this API site. So for the Microsoft Graph has been watched by 5k members. The Meta is watched by 4k members. Like this we can able to identify which is the weightage of API network. So now I'm going to be take this Microsoft Graph, which is the highest one, 5k. Anyhow, apart from 5k also it will be found here. So you can scroll down and you have to check it. Okay, see this Cisco DevNet's 4k plus and Lignit's 10k plus, right? Anyhow we can take this Twitter. Okay, I'm going to be take Twitter API. So under Twitter API you can find collections count as 4, the workspace count as 1. Move to this collections option. Here you can find collection as 4 collections available, and also here you can find already 7 members joined under the Twitter team network. I am the 8th person member. Okay, this is the team. So more than one team member forming us here, one group joined under the Twitter API network. So here I'm going to be choose this Twitter developer labs. I'm going to be select the third option. So it's, you can see that Twitter public workspace, it comes under the collections, but anyhow as added as a public workspace, but does not moving to the any team workspace. Now how we can move this public workspace to team workspace? Why we are going to be move this one? Expand this API network. Okay, take any of the one request. Here you can find the send button is disabled mode. Why? Because until unless if you are not moving any other your team workspace, we cannot able to perform any action. Just we can read, that's it, but we cannot able to perform anything. In that case you should create a fork. With the help of fork only we can able to access this send button for performing the action. So when you are moving the cursor on the send button, it will be give you the one pop-up. A request cannot be sent in public workspace right now, though we are working on that for a future release. Fork this collection to your own workspace to send a request for performing a request you should create for adding into to your own workspace. Got it? Now, anyhow, you can find the 4 collection has been added here. I'm going to be click on this, the first one, click on this 3 round icon. There you can find create a fork option. Click on this one. Here you can see the fork label. I'm going to be give Twitter API locations. Where exactly I'm going to be placed? Which workspace? Your team workspace or your public workspace? I'm going to be add into the my team workspace, which is before I created NATASA team. Click on this 4 collections. So now the Twitter API already we have find 4 collections, but the first collections only I'm going to be inserted added into the my team workspace. Got it? Here you can see under NATASA team my own workspace I have added successfully this Twitter API network. Right? Now we can check whether the send button is enabled or not. Click on this any of the one request. Here you can find the send button is enabled mode. Until unless creating a fork, we cannot able to see the send button is enabled. Okay, click on the send button. Now you can find the response body. Okay, so now I have added Twitter API. Based on that, you can generate the API key for authorizing the for accessing the Twitter API. Okay, so likewise you can expand all of these things. Okay, expand this also. Okay, it will be give you the example also. If it is success, what is the response body you will be receive? If it is 4029, what is the response body will be received? Everything it will be give you under the Twitter API collections. Like this, whatever team you are going to be selected there, it will be give you with a example and what is the expectations, what you will be check actual, everything you can able to compare. Okay, here you can find this is the actual one. So after performing any action, so what is the actual result you will be get? We can compare with the different scenario. Okay, this is the way you can practice with your team network API. Okay, thank you guys.